Hi, my name is Rosie and you are watching Rosie's Teal Treatz. This week I'm going to be starting my weekly vlogging because it's the new year. Happy New Year. And in a couple of weeks we're going to be going on a big trip, which I haven't announced yet, but I'm going to be weekly vlogging that. So I thought it would be nice to introduce that and have all the packing so you can see all that. So I'm just going to start this week and it's going to be pretty short, but I hope you enjoy it. I'm almost finished making my bullet journal video and I think I'm going to go and watch it. Good morning. It's Wednesday and sadly I have to go to school, but I have writing after school, so that should be fun. See you after school. I got home from school about 2 hours ago, and since then I've just been working on my math homework. Now I have to get dressed to go writing lessons. I'm sorry I didn't vlog at all today. I didn't really do anything exciting. It's Thursday. I got home from school and I basically just did math work. I did write a song, but that's for a contest. I'm really excited to submit it and I will be recording it tomorrow. Good morning. Today I have to go to school, but after school I'm going to be recording this song, and then I think we're going to drive up north so we can go hiking tomorrow, so you'll get some cool footage of that. I have about 10 minutes until I need to leave for school, so I gotta go. See ya.